Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English one day before an English exam. This guide offers practical, actionable steps to maximize your preparation time. We'll cover essential strategies for reviewing grammar, boosting vocabulary, and refining your writing skills. By following these tips, you can feel more confident and ready to tackle your English assessment. Let's dive into a focused, efficient study plan to help you succeed. Next, let's focus on grammar and vocabulary. Dedicate about 1 hour to quickly reviewing fundamental grammar rules, like verb tenses and punctuation. Then, spend another 45 minutes practicing common vocabulary words and their synonyms. Use flashcards or a quick quiz to test your recall. This targeted approach helps reinforce crucial language elements efficiently. Now, let's refine your reading and writing skills. Spend about 1 hour practicing reading comprehension with 2 or 3 short passages. Then, dedicate another 75 minutes to outlining potential essay topics. Focus on developing strong thesis statements and clear topic sentences for each paragraph. Reviewing the standard essay structure will ensure your writing is well-organized and coherent. Finally, let's talk about your last-minute preparation and exam day. Spend about 30 minutes doing a quick overall review of everything you've studied. Most importantly, ensure you get at least 8 hours of restful sleep the night before. On exam day, arrive 15 minutes early, take a few deep breaths, and read all instructions carefully before you begin. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.